Greetings and hello. In today's video, you're going to learn how to create consistent content for your videos. So sit back and get ready to learn right now.
But you have to be consistent with your content, and you want to educate your audience. And some of the places you can go when it comes down to content is you can actually create videos about existing blog posts. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Repurpose and reuse the content that you have. If you have a podcast, you can go on YouTube and cut a video about a podcast episode and then drive people to your podcast. You could use Google searches to kind of tell you what kind of content you need to create. You could go to the Google Trends and see what trends are, what people are talking about, and use that as a guide for creating content. There's nothing better than using frequently asked questions to create content or looking at what people are asking in community forums. Now, there's this website called answerthepublic.com. And this is the URL, Answer the Public. You can go there and you can type in your keyword right here and then click search, and it's going to crawl the web and show you all the different questions people are asking about that keyword. So if I put keto diet, it's going to give me all of the questions that people are asking about keto diet. And then what you can do with that information is you can begin to answer those questions using YouTube. So, that's a really good hack. And when you do your videos, make sure you always use a call to action in your videos. You want people to subscribe, comment, and share. You always want to make sure to include that in your videos several times, in the beginning and in the end. But there's a specific way you want people to share, because a lot of times, we say share and people will copy the link and then they go and share it. But what you really want people to do is you want them to click that share button, but you want them also to utilize these features here. So don't just copy, tell people, if you have some friends, some diehard friends that, will comment on your videos, what you want them to do is you want them to click on the Facebook button. You want them to click on the Twitter button. That's really important. You're going to want people to do that so that they can share that way, not just by copying it and taking it over to Facebook. You want them to click on these other apps. By them clicking and sharing this way, it really and truly means something to YouTube. So what I tell people to do is I tell people to utilize the Educate to Elevate method. Now the Educate to Elevate method, it's a method, but it's also our motto. It's also the motto for the Network for Women in Business. But with the Educate to Elevate method, what I teach people to do with this is to educate their potential customers all the way through the customer journey, right? So there's several phases of the customer journey. There's awareness, there's consideration, they look at reviews before they make their choice and before they make their purchase. So some of the questions that people ask, because I believe that people go to YouTube and Google, to really get their questions answered. So they want to know, like, first and foremost, like, who are you? They don't know who you are. So you want to create videos that let people know who you are. What do you have to offer? You definitely want to create videos that let people know what you have to offer. Why you, right? They want to know that. So you want to create videos that share that and explain that. What are some of the benefits? So, in these first questions, they're, making them aware that you exist, why they should consider you. And, they want to know, have you told me something that I don't already know? You want to teach them something. You want to educate them. And they want to know what other people are saying about you. So, you definitely want to put in videos that show reviews and, like great little notes and things that customers have sent to you. You definitely want to do that. And people have to consider all of these questions before they make their choice and decide to work with you or purchase something from you. And you want to make sure that you're educating them all the way through this process.
Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more videos just like the one you saw today. Take care and make it a great day.